Alright, this how they look. Well, oh, I got the flash on. You see how the wire ain't working in certain spots? Like, look at that. Like, cut off. Look at that. I guess it burnt up. So it look kind of bad. Nah, bro. That junk look terrible. So I just bought the other kind. Oh, you can't tell. Nah, hold on. Wait, that's the wrong. Alright, look. Alright. Jump burnt up in certain spots. That's why I ordered this other kind for 100. This happened to me so many times. So many times. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Red King Zeus, and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, nigga. But look, since this wire don't work, I want to order this from Oneuplighting. It's a whole bunch of hoot stuff down there. Don't pay that no attention. But I ordered this from Oneuplighting. It's the it wrap around in chain color. It was like $100. Wrap around chain color. I'm about to take it out the bag. You feel me? So I'm about to take this off. They say these burn up quick. That what happened to mine technically. It just burnt up. Like, you feel me? It's gone now. You feel me? I ain't seen my dad like this in so long. I should have got one when it. Oh yeah, I should have got. They ain't hopped out the car for a second. Let me show you. Hey, I mean, I know how I used to look. Should have waited. Matter of fact, I got you. Alright, there you go. That's how I look before it. I'm taking that off because it ain't lighting up at night. That's the whole reason why I got it. So I'm gonna take it on now. Probably just gonna throw this wire away. But I gotta pull my dash up, take it from out of there. Take this out. Man, hold on. Oh. I mean, I don't want to unplug it, but y'all see what's going on, man. Pull up. I gotta unclip these clips on my dad. Cause this got like lasers on it. So I gotta cut it in. Alright, so I just pulled it up a little bit. Took this up. Oh, it's up. Yeah. That's around that clip. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna pull it up. Shit. Oh, is it stuck in here or something? I don't remember how I did it. I think I'm gonna just pull it up from there. Yeah, it's on one string, then it's pulled. Alright. Hold on, I think. I don't know, god dang. I just got everything out. Take out a wire. Alright, so they that wire out. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all what come in this little pack. I ain't even gonna care. I need a cameraman. I ain't with this. Alright, so a little wire. With a little scan for the phone. You check, cause it change colors. It's the lasers. Laser. Put it in there and you tighten it up. Y'all know it, the rest. When you doing this, you gonna need a pair of scissors, it look like. So you feel me, G? That about all you gonna need, look like. Got maybe some black tape. So what I'm about to start off doing, I'm gonna just grab this and wrap it around the front, wrap it around the top, all around this real quick. Then I'm gonna wrap it around this, and then I'm gonna attach it to the lasers. This part pretty much like the LY video, you feel me? Just go around, start right there, go around, just keep going around the whole thing. keep stuffing it up in there the whole way through. You feel me? Till you done. It took me forever, and I came up with this. Like, you gotta have it literally a circle. Hold on, I'm gonna show you at the same time. Hold on. Oh. All right, there we go. All right, look. This little circle do not fit in this, bro. Like, you gotta legit have it a circle. Like, you can't have none of this on the side. Yeah, because it's straight small. There it is. See how small this is? I had put a little tape on it because I was finna mount it to something. I didn't know what else to use. I just had tape right there, so look. Matter of fact, the end of this, how this is, it gotta be just this circle, so I gotta cut it to a circle. All right, so there it is right there. I had to cut that half off to put it in here. Now I need a flathead, not a flathead, but a screwdriver. And tighten it. And I don't even need no tape on it. Pretty much gonna hold itself with the wire. So I don't need no tape on it. I had to take that off. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna just put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here, technically, and just let it hang. I'm about to put that screwdriver on it right now. All right, I had to restart everything. All right, so I undid it and came from the bottom with this. So the cord right here. So the cord coming from here and coming out of here with this. So I'm gonna have to hide these wires. See, now I got some wires to hide now. Everything else straight though. Sitting there now. Alright, I just hit the wires now. See, it's right here. Went down, stuffed it right there a little bit. It's so much wire, so I just stuffed the rest of it right there. Just said whatever. Ain't nobody gonna see it. Now I just gotta do this part now, this side. Alright, now I just went around. Alright, so with this, I cut it down the middle. I put this black tape here because like I ain't wanted to show where the light was coming from. If it can stay like that, I'm gonna keep it like that. If I can't, I'm gonna, you feel me, just take it off. It is what it is. Then I had to cut this longer so it would stay down. It look a little tight. I'm gonna fix it up. Look, you feel me? But you get the gist. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the two other lasers. I'm gonna figure that out. Probably gonna put it in the doors or something. Put the string, the wire to go through here. I'll figure something out. You feel me? That's how it look right now. I'm gonna turn on the light. Let me. Alright, so this how it look right now. Oh, what the? Hold on, turn it on real quick. Yeah, I probably can't see it at all. It's so bright outside. I see it a little bit right now, but I'm gonna show you how it look at night. That's how I got this. Look like it connected a little bit. Blacked it out. It looks straight. It look a little tacky, but it is what it is. I'm gonna fix it up later when I do my doors. I don't feel like doing my door right now. Too lazy. You feel me? You feel me? I'll make another video for that. I ain't posted in a minute. I know y'all miss me on the channel. But like or sub, man. Share, do all that. I need a K on that vid, man. Alright, this how I look at night. See that there. Like, you can change the color to whatever. But I just got it on the fade right now. See, I still gotta fix it. Now I'm gonna route this in black so you can't really tell. That little side right here. I route that black so you can't really tell where it's coming from. And then I'm gonna route there. I'm gonna find somewhere. This ain't done right. You see it popping up. I gotta fit that, but you see how it look though. Feel me? Gonna look just like that. Alright. My red lights on. Can't really tell now, but yeah, you can. That's how I look at night, man. Y'all like, sub, you feel me? Comment, all that. Let me know something.